United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 82, Payments and Contributions with respect to the exploitation of the continental shelf beyond 200 nautical miles. 1. The coastal state shall make payments or contributions in kind in respect of the exploitation of the non-living resources of the continental shelf beyond 200 nautical miles from the baselines from which the breadth of the territorial sea is measured. 2. The payments and contributions shall be made annually with respect to all production at a site after the first 5 years of production at that site. For the 6th year, the rate of payment or contribution shall be 1% of the value or volume of production at the site. The rate shall increase by 1% for each subsequent year until the 12th year, and shall remain at 7% thereafter. Production does not include resources used in connection with exploitation. 3. A developing state, which is a net importer of a mineral resource produced from its continental shelf, is exempt from making such payments or contributions in respect of that mineral resource. 4. The payments or contributions shall be made through the authority, which shall distribute them to states parties to this convention, on the basis of equitable sharing criteria, taking into account the interests and needs of developing states, particularly the least developed and the landlocked among them.